Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. This series is going to be dedicated to the country of Oman. I have been blessed to celebrate the month of Mahi Ramadan in Oman, Muscat, and I thought it would be a great idea to bring you some dishes, and also I kind of wanted to learn cooking in a different country. It's a whole different ball game. So I'll be bringing you some dishes from here. It's as much as a surprise for you as it is for me here as well. I was thinking of contemplating to do this, but it took a lot just to get all this ready. So today I do a tandoori fried chicken, which I have to get done anyways for iftar. I'm gonna do pastries. Now these pastries were made by mistake, so everybody raved for it. So it's gonna be tandoori smoked chicken puff pastries that we are going to put a surprise ingredient in it, which is going to be cream cheese and jalapenos. So without further ado, let's get started. For our chicken wings, I added a little bit of olive oil in here. In there, I'm also going to add a good 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Mix that. Now remember, I don't have all my ingredients here. We're just going to do everything that is available here. So these are going to be our fried tandoori wings. I don't have an air fryer here, so we're going to be doing this. I also bought some chicken powder. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to hit it with some tandoori masala. Now I don't know why, but I brought my tandoori masala with me. I use the Kisan. I am not trying to promote this brand. I just absolutely love it. So we're gonna use that, and we're gonna keep it super simple, okay? Now, if I was home, I would have added a little bit of cajun in here and a little bit of lemon pepper. Lemon juice, gonna hit it with some lemon juice. I'm also gonna hit it with some black pepper. Gonna give this a good mix. And then I'm gonna let this sit while I go ahead and explain you our tandoori chicken pastries. Okay, for our pastry, here I have about 1 kilogram. You can also use the boneless chicken thighs if you like. In here, we're gonna add our ginger and garlic. And I'm adding a good 1.5 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. In there goes our salt, black pepper, tandoori masala. I bought some fresh smoked paprika. Make sure it's not chili. And add some paprika in here. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil in here. Give this a stir. Tiny packets of tomato paste. And then I also have here some bell peppers that I have cut very small pieces, and then I grated some carrots. I'll show you what we're going to do with our cream cheese and jalapeno mixture. So I got my cream cheese here, and I'm just going to use all of it because I'm sure I'm going to have some mixture left over that I'm going to freeze and then use it when I have guests over. These are the jalapeno peppers that I am using. I love these, absolutely love these. So what I did here is I just roughly chopped them up. We're gonna add that to our cream cheese mixture. You can do as much or as little as you like. I'm gonna go ahead, mix this up really well. This is going to be our mixture that we're gonna put into the pastry as well. All right, now our mixture for the chicken needs to be checked, so let's go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna pour my oil and fry up the chicken wings while this is getting cooked. Oil here coming along. Now this is one trick that I use, which I forget to show all the time, is if you put your chopstick in, you'll see it bubble. That means that your chicken is ready to go. I also don't have tongs, so we are gonna, there we go. This is really nice and ready. Now if you have this set of a sizzle, what you want to do is you want to reduce your heat, because you don't want the outside cooked and the inside raw, okay? So I want to get this chicken in quickly to kind of bring down the temperature. Stir this. Now you can do this with whole chicken as well. In fact, I did that when I had invited some friends over. Loved it. At this time, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cover it. What is gonna happen here is the steam is going to cook the chicken from the inside, and then what we're gonna do is remove the lid and let it fry up, and the inside is gonna be completely cooked. Going. Now I'm gonna show you this. Okay. It took about 7 minutes, I would say. And you can see that some of the chicken have started splitting, and I can see the white inside. So at this, you can see that the color looks amazing. See that? So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Now, if you have lemon pepper at home, I will add some lemon pepper on top. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this to another bowl, and then I'll show you the next step. All right, pan is hot. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil in there. About a good tablespoon. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of ginger and garlic in here. Bring it down the heat a little bit. Next thing, I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste in here. Again, if you've been following my cooking, I always recommend cooking up the tomato paste. So I'm going to add my salt in there. If I was at home, I would add my lemon pepper and my cajun again in here. Add a little bit of lemon juice in here. Add some black pepper in here. Add some paprika in here as well. Give it a taste test. I added my bell peppers and my carrots in here. The bell peppers really give food so much taste. Add that in here. And then turn our stove off. Okay. You want to make sure you don't use olive oil. You want to use the regular oil. Add the oil on there. Quickly going to put the lid on. Okay, let's go ahead and uncover this. Oh, smells divine. Take that out. I'm gonna put it in the sink. Do not put it in the trash. It's gonna burn. It's still burning, so it's gonna go in the sink until it completely cools down. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. We're gonna use these pastry sheets. Go ahead, I'll show you how we're gonna stuff these. Okay, to this mixture, now it's cooled down completely. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh kothmir or coriander. Okay, my oven is preheating. I'm not gonna tell you the temperature because just follow the temperature on the packet of the pastry. So let's go ahead and stuff these. Okay, I have a saran wrap down here. So all right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cream cheese and jalapeno mixture, just add a little bit on there. Then we're gonna take a little bit of our chicken mixture, put it on there, just like so. Is the regular way that I usually do it, and that's just a simple triangle. We're gonna do an egg wash to put on top of this. Okay. The other one. Okay, again, we're gonna take our mixture, add a little bit on there. Chicken goes on top. Okay, this one I'm just gonna fold it just like so. So it's really how, what I've done here is I have my tray here, lined it up with parchment paper. One more I'm gonna show you. is. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish rolling all these up. I'll show you when I put my egg wash on there and stick them in the oven. All right, got these rolled up. Okay, egg. Just gonna mix it and I'm gonna quickly spread it on. Lastly, I always like to sprinkle it with some dried parsley, which I don't have. So I'm just gonna hit it with some Spanish paprika. You can leave it completely the way it is. They look as beautiful. I just like to add a little bit of signature on them. And stick these in the oven. Until they're really nice and golden brown. So I want to show you how our chicken wings turned out. There you go. Now, fries we had ordered yesterday. I don't like to waste stuff, so I just kind of reheated my oil and just fried it in the same oil. Now, I'm gonna give it a quick taste test for you all. Look at how small and beautiful these wings are. When I say delicious, it's an understatement. Food here just tastes so much better. The chicken are small, they're not heavily, and they're not injected at all. So they just feel so good. Chicken tastes so good. Now, pastries are in the oven. I'm gonna wait till they get done, then we're gonna taste test those as well. So hang on, don't go anywhere. All right, let's get these out of the oven. They look beautiful. I have to admit, they're still hot, but I can't wait to get into it, okay? So, okay. So I'm gonna take this one. Look at that. You see the cream cheese in there? Okay, now, we're gonna try and give this a taste test. The barbecue flavor comes through. The tandoori comes through. And then lastly, the creamy cream cheese and that kick from the jalapenos just come through. Absolutely delicious. Now, before we end the video, please do me one favor. Tell me where you're watching from. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share this video at least once, please. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope I can see you here next time with another great video.